Easy now, rude boy. Easy now, rude boy. Easy now, rude boy. All right, so look, man, I'm just chilling here, watching the channel. You know, I got 738 subscribers, man. That's what I'm talking about, man. Help me run this thing up. That's what I'm talking about. I wouldn't have got 738 subscribers without y'all. I wouldn't have got there. So check out some of these videos and run the likes up on them. It's some good content. I'm actually sitting here editing a video, and one of the videos, I wasn't gonna upload it, but one of the videos while I was on home time, a fight broke out at the Airbnb that we was at. It didn't have nothing to do with us. I know what you're thinking. It didn't have nothing to do with us. It was some people that was in another Airbnb around the corner, and I guess they must have had a little bit too much to drink. But
I'm drunk. Yeah, I've been drinking, but I wasn't driving. Shit, the motherfucker, hey, she must be getting him some pussy or something.
Mr. Turner.
But the fight that they had, I was able to get it on video, and I got it for y'all. I'm gonna share it with y'all. You know, some things happen on the road when you trucking, and some things happen when you are on home time. It was some people around the corner. It ain't had nothing to do with us. I'm gonna say that again. The fight broke out. I think it was some girl or whatever. Just, you know, they was tripping, but you know, I was able to get it. So I'm gonna share it with y'all. Make sure y'all like and subscribe and share the channel and help me get my views up on these videos. I got some good ones up here, man. Use your meat lock, pause. Man, truck wash from hell. I spent $400 after I got off of home time. And so y'all check out those videos. Help me run it up. Help me get to 1,000 subscribers. I really appreciate y'all. All right, so I'm about to go into the video. Y'all let me know what y'all think in the comments. And we're gonna play the video in 3, 2, 1.
Bitch, go get your fuck going. You wanna fuck me because you jealous of me, baby. You jealous. You jealous.
Y'all got it.
Hey, yo, everything I'm a one. I like the Lord. Hey, yo. Let the Lord do it.
Oh, no, somebody take my fucking
You got it? You got it?
Nah, because they gonna pull like one.
Shit, ain't got nothing to do with us.
That's what I said. I heard them out.
They don't want the smoke. They don't want the smoke.
Sometimes the Lord just gotta let this shit happen. Ooh.
Hey, yo. Damn, Ottawa.
He got some branch. He got knocked out. You heard him? He got laughed with him.
Nah.
He said, go get that gun. She whooped somebody. You want to go in? I don't know. No, I think one of them ran up.
Damn, Ottawa.
Y'all see what happened when y'all come to the Javelin house. Man. We in the A. This is where the Javelin at.
Yeah.
This is what happened, man. Hey, but look, they gotta chill out, man. That shit is crazy.
You missed it.
Fuck okay.
Him on the ground.
Ain't no girl getting me on the ground.
She got him on the ground twice.
But he looked gay.
He might just be frail.
He looked skinny and
He eating herbs.
he juicy.
He eating herbs.
This nigga eat his herbs. This nigga eat his herbs.
Wait, it's a people up there talking shit now. She far as hell? She ain't no girl.
So what you think? What's going on? What was going on?
They all drunk.
They all drunk.
They drunk.
That's the reality of the situation. They all drunk. If they're not in the truth, that's gonna be that's their weekend. That's the normal weekend getting beat up by some big bitch. That's the normal weekend.
Call her big back.
The big back bitch. That's her normal. That's his normal weekend. That's
Right.
a normal weekend, and that's gonna happen until they come in the head. Man.
So instead of fighting, they maybe could talk it out and see
Man, it wouldn't
you know,
even,
what their options are.
It wouldn't even have got to the fight.
It just got hands.
Damn, she got hands. She had hands too. This nigga was on the ground twice.
Yeah, he was on the ground like the whole time.
Twice.
He was on the ground like you the whole time.
It was no time when
Like,
he
was
was
falling
like,
to the shadows. It was like a. I feel like, dude.
I can't look at
Big back got him.
Big bag put the hands on him.
Both sides
The
cry.
fucking hands
She
on
allowed the basement once too. That's you should have known.